Alright, class. Alright, kelas kita. Halo. Kita nak mulakan. Best? Memang best. Alright. Hi, Assalamualaikum. 3.0 Internet Technology for 3.1 Internet Principle of Internet for DC014. This is a conclusion of our lesson. The whole topic for 3.0 we already done. Here is I just go through for the summarize. So the first thing is you have the lesson need to know the principle of operation. The internet principle of operation have a rule of a browser. I think you still remember the rule of browser, the function of a browser, the example, the role of ISP, internet service protocol, HTTP, and then what is the difference between HTTPS, and then IP and a URL, what is the difference, and then similar, what how these things is operate, IP and URL. What searching, we have a two type, subject directory and search engine, and then internet service type of website. So we go through the role of browser. At the end of the topic, you need to can explain the role of a browser. I think that you need to know the function of web browser. This is an example. No more Internet Explorer, we Edge, Microsoft Edge. So already 10 minutes. The Safari for Apple computer. Okay, Firefox, Opera, Google Chrome. Okay, we go next. The role of a browser: allow user to access the web page with the internet connection established. User start to web browser, retrieve and display a start web page. I think this is you need to know lah. Okay, we go to the next is the role of internet service provider, ISP. Describe the role of ISP. So who is ISP? A company provide internet connection and service to individual, access provider for free or to pay. The role of ISP, I think you need to remember the responsibility of ISP. And then this is the company, the responsible company, ISP in Malaysia. Some of the company is already changed the name, and then maybe some of the terminate. Okay, we go next. Hypertext, HTTP and HTTPS. What is a differentiate between two kinds? And then you need to know what is a secure, the function of a secure for that HTTP and HTTPS. What is different with this one is no S. When I have a S. This is a very important. Okay, important, need to know. Okay, and then internet protocol, IP, and uniform resource allocator, URL. You need to describe internet protocol and then a URL. This is a very important. What is IP? We cannot delete. Okay, we cannot delete it. So here you need to know what is internet address, IP usage, why we are using IP, and then structure of IP. Okay, the last thing is for identify the specific computer. And then this is as a class. We have a 5 class, A, B, C, D, E. And then this thing is you need to know why we are using IP address, because there is unique, global, and standardized essential. And then IP address have a 2 type. One is IP4 and then one is IP6. And then you need to can compare. You need to compare between IP4 and IPv6. Alright, this is the format, actually the format. IPv6. So that is easy to make a difference between two. Okay, for the IPv6 have a alphabet, but for the IPv4 only number, and then have 1, 2, 3, 4 place. But for the IPv6 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have a 7. Okay, IPv6. And then the other things in this topic is domain name. Very important. You need to know domain name and IP address, what is a different and a similar, and then how these two things is related, very related. You need to know the domain name, such as google.com or facebook.com. Okay, domain name DNS, domain name system, not server, domain name system. Okay, I hopefully you not confuse it. This one is an example. Okay, IP address and a URL. This is how the working of a DNS, IP address, and okay, top level domain, TLD, very important. Top level domain. So there is have a .com, .edu, .my. So you need to identify what is a TDF for one URL given by questions. This is you need to refer to your note. This is a structure, the anatomy, we call anatomy or structures of the URL. Okay, this is a domain name. Okay, and then web search or web searching have a 2 type. That there is a search engine and then a subject directory. Search engine is very easy because you need to use the keyword, but for the subject directory you need use a directory. Cannot use a text to search something. You need to scroll down, find the correct directory you want to find something. Here, a search tool have a 2. Search engine and then subject directory. Subject search engine, we have the skill how to search something, some information over the internet. Okay, and then you need to this one. Okay, this one important. You need to know how to use plus, or, in bracket, in parentheses, exclude, minus for exclude. For the exactly paste, you need to using a double quotation, and then substitution character in place, the asterisk to writer. Okay, this one is search engine. Okay, example of search engine. This one we not use yet. Not available today, search engine. So icon apa semua tu dah tak ada. Please update your note. Okay, Alta Vista operate under Yahoo now. Yahoo, Google. Okay, the most popular today's search engine is Google, and then Yahoo. So you need to describe the advantage and disadvantage, but this one for the subject, the 3 is very poor to use, is difficult to use. So here we list the disadvantage of using the subject that 3. But why the system have the subject that 3? Because something maybe the indexing actually the two things is from the same database, either subject 3 or search engine is coming from the one database. Okay, yes, this one is subject 3, list of categories. Summarize to search tool. Search engine are using the keyword, and then subject 3 using the directory. And today's technology for the internet service, you should know all things about. And then this is basically www. What is a www? Email, how to operate internet messaging, VoIP, voice over internet protocol, and FTP. This is only 5 internet service. Actually, we have too many internet service over the internet. So only these are covered on our syllabus. Only 5 internet service we cover on our web, on our syllabus. So here is maybe the question can integrated. They can asking about the www over the email, internet messaging. So for now technology, sometimes all the things is integrated. I mean, maybe you can chat, but you can send a file. Maybe on the chat you can make a voice call over the internet protocol, and then but for the file transfer protocol is unique. You cannot embed it with the other service, internet service. So this one you need to scroll down to find and make some revision. The most popular www, World Wide Web. Okay. Wide site. Yes, this is email. Email is short form from electronic mail, the transmission of a message and file via the computer network. Here we go. We through go to our note just to review some topic. Maybe you have a loss or something, or we can refreshment. Internet messaging, WhatsApp, Telegram, FB Messenger, Google Talk, Hangout. This is some examples today's technology. Okay, voice over internet protocol. WhatsApp now you can do it a video call and then a voice call. So this is happen. Our technology is growing too fast, so we cannot stick for the one technology. So now they are integrated with all the things in one place. Yeah, we go void, and this is the concept is FTP. Yes, until now the FTP is cannot integrated with other technology. There is a unique. So the function, the main function of FTP is to transfer a file from the local computer to the server, or to downloading a file from the server download to our local. This is very useful for a web developer. And then host a control or remotely server. Okay, this one I think that's all. And then we go to type of website. Very easy. I think you already done your blog. I have a since you build up the website for your own, your personal. So hopefully you can understand the type of website. Actually, we have too many type of website, and then in the quizzes I already asked you beyond from this type listed beyond from this listing type of website. I asking you about the education, I asking you about the entertainment, so news. So actually we have too many website type, so need to alert with the other website. This is easy, not too much to need to remember. You just identify the content and the purposely of the website, so you know the type of website. So I just scroll down. Okay, yeah, because we already this one is blog. Someone told me he want to begin as a blogger after she's know how to build up the blog website. Keep it on. I hopefully you success in. Okay. And then wiki. Social network. Today's technology, everything happen on social network. The faster news for the netizen, our digital citizen. But beware, sometimes the information you receive is not too accurate. You need to investigate first, identify it is true or maybe a liar. So need to be careful. So this is a minor. What is a benefit you can get from the online social network? Yes, the question can ask you about the advantage or disadvantage about using all the things, internet service or everything. So the format of a question is very easy. They will try. Skip page. Okay, they can ask you about the what is one. Okay, what is this a question you need to describe. Okay, what is function? Okay. Definition. What is? Okay. Okay, what is, and then apply question. Sometimes what is a two more question we can ask you. Actually, your exam have a part A and part B. I have received that questions. I try to find it. Where is your question? We find first. Give me a moment. Forgot where I put the format of the final year questions. Wait, I define first. pula ni, tak jumpa cara ni. Manalah. Dia pedas tadi. Sedang download kot. OneDrive. JPU. Okey, ada pun. Saya screenshot ya. Kita tunjuk. Rasanya tak perlu kot. Boleh kot. Sebelum je tunjuk sini. Saya akan tunjuk pada skrin je full screen. Full screen. Mana satu full screen ni? Ni full screen. Nak bagi ini bagi. Okay, see the full screen. Okay, this is JPU jadual penentuan ujian untuk you punya topik-topik yang akan masuk. Okay, information technology ada C1, C2, C3. Tahap kesukaran dia. C1 tu maksudnya memorize. C2 understood. C3 apply. So I think for the C3 is quite difficult. And then motherboard C1 only. So what is include C1. How to, we go to C2. Understood how to. And then memory, processor, memory, input and output device, storage, have a C1 until C3, adapter card C1 and C2, system software C1 and C2, and then internet technology only C1 and C2. So that is your exam format. And then they have section A and section B. Section A only C1, and then for the section B have a C2 and C3. This is how they are working with the final exam PSPM. Okay, so that's all for tonight. I'm already done with a short revision. I pray all of you is good effort, enough to achieve a victory, and then see you for the next semester. I'm Mr. Nazri. Thank you so much to join my class. Assalamualaikum. Okay, itu saja.